Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Dollar Tree haul, and y'all, I go to Dollar Tree every single day, so if you're tired of Dollar Tree hauls, please let me know. But I picked up some of these rhinestone stickers for a DIY project, pack of these letters for a DIY project. I picked up this e.l.f. liquid liner, and they had quite a few new e.l.f. things, but the lifter and eyebrow fill didn't need that. Didn't need the highlighter or that nude lipstick. So I just got this liquid liner because I'm trying to practice my wing liner. I picked up another one of these glitter cups. I have a green one, and I used to have a pretty matte black one, but I broke it. Once you drop these cups, you guys, that's it. No matter if it's the glitter cups or any cup like this from Dollar Tree, once you drop it, that is it. So this is what it looks like, and I really like it. And it came in like a light blue and a teal, and it had silver. And then this is just a little straw here. I picked up these trash bags. It's the tall ones, and they're vanilla scented. Comes for $28, and I got these for the trash can in my beauty room. I picked up some sponges. This is what I use to wash my dishes, so I picked up a pack of those. I picked up these copper wire LED lights for a DIY thing in my beauty room. I picked up this paper towel holder. Now you can use these to stack your bracelets, but I got it to hook up my DIY ring light to, so it can sit on my desk. So I picked that up. And I picked up one of these edge controls, but it's not for me. I got it for someone else, so I need to just go ahead and send her stuff. And I picked up these Chakra Candles. Now, I don't know if these are like real Chakra candles or what, but I grabbed them, and I got it in throat. And they didn't come with lids. I got it in crown. And I should have got more of these. I may go back tomorrow since I go every day and grab some more. And I picked up heart. So you guys, that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. Let me know if you guys want to see the DIYs and whatnot. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I will catch you all in the next video.